Lifetime hosting plans offer the enticing prospect of paying a one-time fee and gaining website hosting for the indefinite future. Let's delve into the advantages and disadvantages to understand the intricacies of these plans. Pros: cost savings. The most significant draw is the potential for long-term cost savings. By paying a single upfront fee, you eliminate the burden of recurring monthly or annual hosting expenses. Predictability. Once you purchase a lifetime plan, your hosting costs become fixed. You won't have to worry about unpredictable price hikes or fluctuations in renewal fees. Simplicity. Many lifetime hosting providers aim to streamline the setup and management process, making it an attractive option for beginners. Cons. Limited resources. Lifetime hosting plans often come with constraints on resources like storage, bandwidth, and the number of websites you can host. These limitations might not be a problem initially, but could hamper your website's growth in the future. Company longevity risk. When purchasing lifetime hosting, you're essentially gambling on the provider's long-term sustainability. If the company ceases operations, you could lose your investment and be forced to find a new host. Lack of flexibility. Lifetime plans usually don't offer the flexibility to upgrade or downgrade as your needs evolve. This inflexibility could become a problem if your website experiences a surge in traffic or requires more resources. Outdated technology. Given the one-time payment model, some providers may not invest as heavily in keeping their technology up to date. This could lead to slower website performance and security vulnerabilities. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.